Hi folks, this is Todd. Courtney's not here, got everybody sent home. So Fantastic Fridays could be a little interesting if this coronavirus continues. Want to talk today about hoisting and hoist houses, emergency escape systems, and those kind of products. We're going to make several different video clips and of course send all this to Courtney, make her put it together. And thanks for watching our Fantastic Friday videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and hopefully we can get back to some sort of normalcy soon. Thank you a lot. Okay, folks, just walking outside of our building right here. I just wanted to show you a couple of things. This is a gray earring hoist that we have. I think we have 3 of those. We purchased these from a mine that shut down. These are very, very new units. They were built by Jay Gray and his brother up in Ohio. And I tell you what, if you ain't never dealt with those folks, you're in for a treat. Those boys are just fantastic guys. For what it's worth, those who know a little bit about hoisting and know a little bit about emergency escapes, is their father actually worked for Dover back in the day, and now the sons are continuing on, and they have a wonderful business, and we have a fantastic, I love that, have a fantastic relationship with them. Let me show you a couple things here on the inside of this house. VFD controls, starters. This is a hoist, of course, got cables all over the place, but this thing is ready to assemble and put together and ship out to your job. So if you need a safety hoist for any type mining, actually I had a call the other day for some stuff outside of coal. Let me get this tag here while we're at it. Here you go. Gray earring. And Jay and his brother give them guys a call. And like I say, if you want a used or rebuilt hoist, we'd be happy to sell it to you as well. Install it, take care of that, include it into a fan system. Here's another hoist house. It looks a little better shape. Of course, like I say, we need to rebuild these as we've just taken them out of a mining and coal mining operation. But certainly they're not limited to coal mining, and we have them available. Here's that backup generator and telling you the way that it was installed. And this actual unit right here actually has a backup motor, so in case one motor fails, you'd actually have the other motor. And these are just really great units. We're really, really proud to have them. Over here you see on the other side of the lot is these are the hoists that are made to go on the end of the escape capsule, as you see there. And basically this whole hoist house, again, this is a gray earring hoist house, the whole house will move. It'll slide back and forth to get on and off of your shaft in case there's requirements that you need to store this thing off of the shaft. We'd like to sell these things to you. They are for sale. We have several of these models. They're just wonderful machines. Like I say, these are gray earring hoists, and we have 3 of those that are available for sale. They have, you see the doors here in the back, they have backup generators already included inside the houses. They will fit on a tandem truck legal, so we can haul it, deliver it to your site. And of course here at Paul's Fans, we incorporate those with fan systems, and also we can do the installation and the inspections for you. Just another thing I wanted to mention here, this is a different lot that we have. What you're looking at here is some additional Dover hoists. You see back there in the background, that white one, that's a 1,000-foot Dover. I think they are 2 1,000-foot Dovers here. I think we have about 6 or 8 650 Dovers. If you look here across the way, across the lot, there's another machine that's built like the Timberland. That unit, I think that unit will go up to 1,200 feet deep, and it also articulates. That's a good machine. Here's a couple other items, and if any of you all ever visited us here in Big Rock, you'll know that we don't throw away anything. We don't never get rid of anything. And the reason why is some of the stuff you're looking at right now is, it's stuff that's been installed over the years that's hard to get, and pieces that you can't find. And 2 o'clock in the morning is, we're a interesting source. How's that, to say the least, to give a call. We just may have what you're looking for. So give us a call. We'll try to help you the best we can. What you're looking at there is an old, I think that's a 1,200 foot Dover that we actually got out of a salvage yard. So we just set it outside. This one over here is another one of those old gas, 6-cylinder gas powered Timberland hoist, and I think it's pretty well complete. Like I say, it's sat here a few years, but if you need a part off of it, give us a call. I want to show you a few more of the hoists that we have here, and I guess the various conditions in which we have them. These units here are all takeout units. They are complete. I think there's 3 or 4 of them here. Even got some old gas Timberland units back there. I got the old Ford 6-cylinder engine in them. Like I say, just different stages that we have purchased and bought from other mines. Show you over here, walking through the yard here. You see over here, kind of try to zoom in, see what this will look like. I know Courtney does a better job at this, guys, but she's not here today, and we wanted to make sure that we kept this up. This is just a various lot of different escape capsules, different sizes. I think some of those are 48s, 54s, and 60s. We've got square cages, we've got rectangular cages, round ones, the bullet types, any type that you may need for an escape hoist, we have them available. We do offer installation, service, maintenance, inspections. Come over here. These are for the Dover hoists. These are booms and head rollers and track for some gray earring. I guess you can call us hoarders or pack rats, but we have a whole lot of stuff at 2 o'clock in the morning. It may be very interesting to you. So if you got a problem with an escape hoist, or you have one you'd like to have installed, whether it be new or rebuilt, we can offer you a brand new gray earring hoist, and certainly the rebuilts and the rebuilt Dovers. They're all certified and tested, and we can help you with any kind of testing and compliance issues that you may have. And I appreciate you for watching. Thank you.